What's going on, guys? Welcome back to our channel, man. All right, guys, so I'm just leaving the gym. Cameron did a little workout, hour and 20 minutes. Cut it short because I want to go to the shop, guys, show you what's going on out there, guys. There's a 2020 F-150 single cab Coyote, getting some stuff done by Mando. We'll see what he's doing to it once we get there, guys. I'm still debating and to go pick up the 97 turbo and do a little cruise on it. I don't want to beat it too much, guys, because the transmission's stock and it slips pretty bad. And of course, I'm on the King Ranch, man. Heated seats. The 97 don't got no heated seats, and it's almost 50 degrees outside, so sweating. So stay with me, guys. We're gonna go to the shop and see that 2020 Coyote. So we ended up taking the 97, guys. I'll give you guys a little cold start here. Man, she starts on a dime. Good oil pressure, good voltage. Damn it, guys, I love this truck, man. If you've been following me for a long time, or if you're just stopping by for the first time, guys, I mean, I got a Whipple Scat Pack, has a built motor, has a badass cam, has a Gen 5 Whipple. I got a couple other vehicles, motorcycles, but this 97 Lightning / turbo swap, I love this truck, man. It's always puts a smile in my face, especially the turbo. And it's a true sleeper, guys. And we named this truck the Cranberry Juice because the paint's a little bit faded. So we're gonna try to roll into it here in just a bit, guys. Hopefully the transmission stays together because we're rolling on a stock trans, guys. And if you guys saw the previous video on the dyno, she put 550 wheel horsepower. That was on 12.5 pounds of boost on 93 octane. So we don't want to bust the trans, guys. I still need to get a new steering wheel for it, guys. Also need to send it to get a line, but I love it, man. We're gonna try to get into it here in second gear. She just goes sideways, dude. Try to see if we can do a little roll here. Sounds good, man. I love it. Man, this thing goes sideways right away, dudes. Right away, man. All right, let's head to the shop, man. I don't want to get a ticket. Alrighty, guys, so we just arrived. I'm gonna show you guys a kit for those of you that are just stopping by. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit, guys, so you guys can see that, and I'll show you guys the mastermind behind this kit. But man, this thing is pretty damn nice. But you got Mando up here. What's going on, Mando?
What's up, guys?
Seems you got the Lightning loaded with some Coyote parts or what?
Yes, sir. We got contracts from Velocity Parts. 36 star Velocity.
From Circle D.
And these are for Lightning. Where the header at? Oh, I put them over here.
All right, so these guys are going to be some custom headers because he's starting to build these turbo kits for the Lightning, guys, and he has a couple of people already in line. Some of them already paid, so he has to get these custom made first. They take about a couple of weeks to get them in here. Then he's going to start doing the kits, guys, on these trucks. So just going to show you. Look,
there they are.
So these are the manifolds. These are the same ones I got on my truck, guys, running the same kit. So Mando, from there on, he starts making his magic.
Brand new out the box.
Brand new out the box. These are, where's this guy customer from?
This customer, I don't know, he's out of state.
So that's an out-of-state customer, guys.
He just sent the money, and he told me he didn't want to keep talking and just do it.
So he
big old 100mm turbo, massive T6 flange. So let's see how much space we have.
For a Lightning, guys. It's gonna be for a Lightning. This guy has a built Lightning, so that's gonna be the first turbo kit. That's gonna be going out here in just a couple of weeks. Because right now he's working on this Coyote, guys, and it's getting converter, the upgraded Boss intake, the ram intake, and it's gonna be tuned again by Lund Racing, guys. And this is Mando's Lightning. So for everybody, guys, asking on his Facebook page, on Armando's Facebook page about the turbo kits, guys, they will be on sale, guys, for the Lightnings. Anything else, but Especially for the Lightnings, the way these kits are, they're pretty damn clean, guys, compared to other kits that everybody has to cut their fender through the inside or have to put them on the middle, and there's not too much space. This one, guys, is just a bolt-on kit, and everything comes out real nice. You pick your turbo, your wastegate, your blow-off valves, your intercooler, all that kinds of stuff, guys. Mando takes care of the rest. He does the cold side, hot side. And also, like we showed you guys, the headers for these trucks. I mean, they take a little bit. How much do they take, Mando?
To put them on?
No, for them to ship them out.
For the Lightning headers, 4 weeks.
4 weeks, guys. So
4 to 5 weeks.
pay them off. Send in the money. We'll send them to get paid off. Wait for them to be delivered, guys, and we'll give you notes of everything that's been spending on the truck. So, and what are you charging, Mando, on the turbo kits, man? That's what people want to know, because there was a lot of people asking, send us pictures, send us this, send us that. We really don't want to give out the blueprints, guys. If you want a custom turbo kit as clean as this one, hit us up. You could send your truck in, or we could make one and send it out, guys. Here's the material, Mando.
Everything is quality material, stainless bros, everything. We don't use cheap material. Look, it's all there. That's $1,500 worth of material just for the Lightning.
Guys, so you guys know what's going on. I mean, you guys will pay for the turbo, right? And pay for the wastegates and all that stuff, what you guys want to get. All right, so Mando will outcharge you, what was it? $3,500 to weld the whole kit together, guys. You guys have to pay for the parts, but the labor is cheap, guys, compared to all.
Making less than $1,000 for everything.
Yeah, so I mean, it's pretty cheap, guys. And they're pretty damn good. You guys just saw the red one spooled, and that thing was just going sideways, and that's not even on full boost yet. So these kits are amazing, guys. Like I said, he's been doing a lot of stuff. He's done some Coyotes, and we got a couple of Mustangs coming in to change out some turbos on them, and we got a Fox body with an LS that's going to have a massive turbo, guys. That's going to be a badass project as well. What was it? 100mm turbo on that one, guys. So it's going to be coming in here to the shop. So there's going to be a lot of content, guys, especially on these Coyotes, on mine. We also got my brother's 416 CTSV back there. Still needs to build trans because that thing's making a lot of power. We got the Silverback Gorilla right here on the back. So we have a lot of content for you guys. Thing else, guys, that I want to throw out there, guys, if somebody wants a custom ram air intake for your Coyote, I mean, hit us up. They're going to be on sale, guys. I'm just going to do a couple of them, have them here in stock, guys. If somebody needs one, just let us know in the comments or shoot me a text on my Instagram at BoostedLife294. So you guys could get your hands on one of these stainless ram air intakes, guys. And these look pretty good. They're pretty amazing, and they perform pretty good, guys. Okay, so I didn't show you guys, I added the new FX40 bumper on it. I'm also waiting for the fog lights. I also added the new lights, guys. And just look at that turbo kit, man. Looks really nice. I love it. We still need little pipe from the wastegate that goes here. I'm going to wrap everything, guys. I already got the clamps for the exhaust, so I can clamp the exhaust on the way back if I want to remove it or whatever I want to do with it, guys. But $3,500, guys, labor for one of these turbo kits. Quality, perfect. Fitment, perfect. No rubbing, no hitting, nothing, guys. These are clean kits. They work. I mean, 550 wheel on 12.5 pounds of boost, guys. That's pretty damn good. And it's a stock motor, so that's why I don't want to push that motor more, guys. One thing I want to point out, guys, depends what intake you're going to run. I'm running the Victory Junior 4.6 for the Mustangs with the plates on the bottom, with the adapter plates. So it depends what intake you're going to run to as well. It's going to change a little bit up here. But you guys will give us that information when you guys order your kit, if somebody wants one. These kits will be available as soon as possible, guys. We're taking orders now. Like I said, we got 3 customers up front. And these things are just rocking, guys.